Let's talk about emotions. Sometimes I feel happy. I feel happy when I play with my favorite toy or spend time with my family. When I am happy, I smile. I can say I feel happy. Sometimes I feel sad. I feel sad when I lose my toy or when someone says something unkind. When I am sad, I might cry or feel quiet. I can say I feel sad. I feel sad. Sometimes I feel excited. I feel excited when it's my birthday or when I go to the park. When I'm excited, my body feels full of energy. I can say, I feel excited. I feel excited. Sometimes I feel tired. I feel tired after playing outside or after a long day at school. When I am tired, I move slowly and want to rest. I can say, I feel tired. Sometimes I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy when it is bedtime or when it is very late at night. When I'm sleepy, my eyes feel heavy, and I want to sleep. I can say I feel sleepy. When you're sleepy, you can say I feel sleepy. Sometimes I feel hungry. I feel hungry when I haven't eaten in a long time or when I wake up in the morning. When I am hungry, my stomach feels empty and I want food. I can say, I feel hungry. Sometimes I feel disgusted. I feel disgusted when I taste food I don't like or smell something stinky. When I am disgusted, something might look, smell, or taste bad. I can say, I feel disgusted. Feelings are okay. I can use my words to tell others how I feel. When I share my feelings, people can help me.